Hello guys, this is me Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. This job update will be a complete work from home job update. It means if you are able to clear the job, no need to visit anywhere. You can continue your day-to-day roles and responsibilities from your home location. It will be a full-time role and any graduate can apply for this job. Also, there will be no target in this job. So, if you want to get all the details about the job, you can watch the entire video. In this video, I will explain how you can apply for this job, and also I will provide you all the job description and details which you need to know before apply to this job. Also, in the video description area, I will provide you the job application link so that you can directly redirect in the job tab and you can directly apply for this specific role. So if you want to apply for this job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video and watch the entire video. If there is any doubt regarding the job, you can comment below so that I can resolve your query. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the screen and discuss about the job.
Hello everyone, this is me Sangram. You are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new job opportunity from Amazon company. It will be a complete work from home based job opportunity and any graduate can apply for this role. So let's discuss about the job opportunity, and before starting the video, I want to request all of you to subscribe the channel to get regular job updates. So here they have clearly mentioned the job role will be investigation specialist, and in the bracket they have mentioned work from home. So as it will be a work from home based job, the company will provide you the laptop and the internet allowance. So below they have mentioned all the key job responsibilities. So this is a non-technical role and mostly you need to work on operational things. You need to meet some SLAs and some of the key metrics which your management will assign you. So they have mentioned all the day-to-day related responsibilities which you need to cover, and you can read all the points, and based on the requirements you can design your resume. Then under basic qualification they have mentioned graduate in any discipline, work experience 0 to 5 years of experience, communication skill should be very good, written and spoken English language, ability to handle and interpret large sets of data, and demonstrate ability to work in a team, very dynamic environment. Some of the preferred qualification they have also mentioned, and one point is very important here, that it will be a rotational shift, 24/7 shift, and it will be rotational, change every 3 to 4 months. Also you will get rotational 2 consecutive day offs. It's 5-day working and 2 days off. Okay, below they have mentioned that it's a virtual job and comes under administrative support, and on the top of the page you will get the apply now button. I will provide you this link in the video description so you can find the application link there, and if you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.
If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care.